Alright, this is Stretch Expert here with a little talk about osgood disease. I've been getting some requests about what the heck is osgood disease and can stretching help prevent it? Well, yes, it can. Osgood disease is a very common cause of knee pain in children and young athletes. It is a condition where the bony protrusion below the knee, called the tibia tuberosity or tubercle, becomes inflamed, painful, and swollen. Okay, let's look at that real quick. Here is a picture of the bone, and number 13 is the tuberosity, which is right there. Okay, that's where all the quadriceps basically merge right here. And so what happens in young athletes is that because of their growth, they're growing, they have growth plates. We have growth plates is what they're called. So the growth plates expand, so the shaft inside the femur expands just a little bit. I mean, you're talking that much. And so the athlete begins to grow in height, but they don't grow in flexibility. And so the tightness of the quadriceps squeezes down, and it creates that little extra hump in there because it has to function as a muscle now instead of functioning as a tendon. And that's what leads to the soreness, or leads to the problem. Because you can see there are quadriceps that attach at the hip, and they come all the way down and they're attached below the knee. When these muscles are tight, it pulls on this tuberosity here, and it squeezes the joints, and it creates, so the outcome of that is this little bump here that begins to function as these muscles. So at Stretch Expert, basically what we do is we teach you how to open up your quadriceps. You know, you got 4 of them. You got 4 quadriceps that come down here. Then you have some muscles that come down and come on the inside of the knee. All of these muscles in this front leg, okay, needs to be stretched. If they're not stretched, you're going to have osgood disease pretty much for your whole entire life. And it's reversible. But you have to be willing to do the work. And at Stretch Expert, we can show you what you need to do so that you can take care of yourself, because that's totally unnecessary pain that you need to put yourself in. So just to kind of review how osgood disease happened, basically the large muscles in the body, young athletes, started growing. The muscles, in a sense, tried to grow with that young person, but they couldn't grow with them because the muscles were too tight. The result of tight muscles is this pain that they call knee pain, which is basically tight muscles that are pulling down on the knee, causing that little bump to happen. So at Stretch Expert, we show you how to take care of your osgood disease. If you're willing to do the work, we're willing to show you how. This is Coach Selby with Stretch Expert. I'll talk to you soon.